All right, so if you're anything like me and you like your subscription boxes, you probably have a lot of these FabFitFun boxes hanging around your house because they're so pretty and so useful, but you just haven't figured out what to do with them. And you probably have a lot of these pretty little birch boxes. Again, holding on to them because you haven't figured out anything to do with them. Maybe using them every once in a while here and there in a drawer to organize something. But really, you've got a ton of them you just can't part with. Don't want to throw them away. So I'm going to show you how to make something useful using just these 3 extra things: tape, scissors, and a label maker if you choose. So stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Dawn from We Always Wander. And today I have a completely different video for you than I've ever done before. It's actually a how-to video, how to refabulous something out of stuff that you already have. I apologize for the lighting today because the brightness from my window keeps going up and down. It's kind of a sunny and then rainy day, so I can't get the lighting right, but I'm just gonna go with it because I wanna get this done and out to you guys. So, as you know, I like my sampling boxes, and like many of you probably have tons of these pretty FabFitFun boxes that you just don't wanna part with because they're pretty designs and you know they'll come in useful someday, right? And then you also probably have tons of pretty little birch boxes. Again, don't want to part with them because they're so pretty. You might use them to box up a gift every now and then or organize a drawer. But I'm going to show you how to make something useful using these things. In addition, all you need is some scissors and some tape, and if you so choose, a label maker. So what I did find is that my FabFitFun boxes are all different sizes. Even though they appear to be pretty close in size, turns out they weren't. For this project, I found that my winter 2018 box worked the best. And I'm going to insert some little clips of the project as I was making it. See if you can see that tape there that I just reinforced the front a little bit because I'm afraid once I unhook the front panel or take off the front panel that it might collapse a little bit. Again, this is completely a test, so I'm not sure how it's going to work. Okay, so now I've cut slits on both sides of the front, and I should have probably used a box cutter, but again, I'm just kind of playing with this to see how it turns out, and then I have plenty of these boxes. I might do a different one if I screw this one up. So next I'm going to take and I'm going to cut right alongside all the way across the front and completely remove this front panel. Okay, so now this front panel has been completely cut out of the front of the box. All right, so front panel is removed, and now I've got a box like this. So next, I'm going to take a look and see which boxes by Birchbox I want to slide in here. They seem to be like they're going to be a perfect fit. Okay, so once I get all the boxes that I want to use loaded in here, I will add more video and show you guys what the final product looks like, hopefully on a shelf somewhere once I get it placed somewhere. But hoping this is going to work, and if it doesn't, I will still post it because I wanted to show you guys at least what my ideas was, because maybe somebody has a better way to make it work. I taped the inside here just to reinforce it a little bit, and then also taped around all the edges right here just to make it kind of smooth. And then, because it was a little too deep for my idea, I took 2 empty birch boxes and put them in the back. Should have put these in order, sorry. Take me a little bit to get set up. 2 empty ones in the back, like so, just to take up some of the depth, if you can see that there. And then I took my birch boxes, I filled them with sample size items because I wanted a way to organize all of my little items, there we go, that we get in our boxes, because I had them in just a huge box and I would not know if I really had anything. And this way I think I'll actually use up some of this stuff a little better. So then I took a label maker. First I put a piece of tape, clear tape, behind this. I don't know if you can see that kind of shining there, because I wanted to be able to remove these labels if I decided that this item wasn't something I had a lot of anymore, or maybe that I didn't want in this box. But then I just made a label. So this one happens to be hair oils and balms. And then you'll see that these slide in here rather nicely, like so. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and load up the rest. All right, so now it looks like so. All right, and then on the shelf, and I'm gonna put this in like a closet. You can close that front flap. It's gonna look just like this. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna stop the video here and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the closet on a shelf and kind of how I use it. Okay folks, so now I'm gonna show you the finished product sitting on a closet shelf. This is not my regular closet. It's kind of my office closet, but it will do. So there's the front of the box. You could put a label or something on the front, but I haven't done that yet. You simply flip up the, I should have this kind of up towards the edge, sorry. So you simply flip up the flap, and then you've got all your little boxes with the product types on the sides. When you find the one you're looking for, so today I'm looking for a dry shampoo, I will just slide it back in. All right, everybody, that wraps it up. I hope you liked my first ever how-to video for repurposing or refabulousing a FabFitFun box and Birchboxes into an organizational box that you can keep in your closet and hopefully use it to organize those sample products that you've got all piled in a box somewhere and aren't getting used because you don't know exactly what you have. It could also be used for arts and crafts, pens, pencils, that kind of thing. Just anything that you need that's small that you need to organize into a system, this kind of system would be great for. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did like this content, please like and subscribe, and I'll bring you more how-tos as I think of things in the future. Thank you for watching. Goodbye from We Always Wander.